How can you improve your credit rating, and why is this important to property investors? Let's take a closer look at this today, and in particular, let me give you 8 easy actions that you can take to help boost your credit rating. Hi there, my name is Tony Law from Your First 4 Houses, and my channel is all about helping you get to investment property number 4 as quickly and as painlessly as possible. Now I've got to do a quick disclaimer here. I am not FCA approved, and so if you're going to act on any of the stuff that I'm suggesting or putting forward before doing so, please seek independent financial advice. So, having a bulletproof credit file is certainly not essential if you're going to invest in property, but there's no question that it's going to help you. Obviously, the higher your rating, the more appealing you're going to be to lenders, and the better exposure you're going to have to better rates. So let's start things off by finding out what your credit rating or credit score actually is. Now, there's a number of resources out there that you can use. I personally use NODL. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. I'll put a link in the box below that will take you straight to the site. Now, unlike others, NODL is free for life, not just for 30 days. It uses Call Credit, which is one of the big 3 referencing companies. The other 2 is Equifax and Experian. And all lenders use at least one of these companies, in addition to gathering other information about you, before deciding if they're going to lend to you. So go to their site, enter your details, and in a few minutes you'll uncover a wealth of financial information about you. And I bet there'll be a couple of things in there that might actually surprise you. So before I give you these 8 ideas, I've got to just say, I have done a ton of research on this subject. I mean, I really got into it. And I actually came up with 21 different actions that you could take that will make a positive impact on your credit file. And so I've prepared an ebook for you. Please take a moment to download this. There's a ton of stuff in there. And I know that even if you've got a bulletproof credit rating, there's going to be stuff in there that's going to help you get even higher. An even higher rating. So please don't miss out on that. Please be sure to download it. Okay, so finally, let's look at these 8 different actions that you can take. So in position number 1, right at the top of the list, confirm that you are on the electoral roll. Never be late for any credit payment ever again. Pay more than the minimum on your credit cards each month. Have direct debits set up for any unsecured borrowing you may have. Be wary who you're linked to financially. Now this is a real big one because you'll be amazed if you've got an old relationship partner or an old business partner. You may have separated in the real world, but are you separated financially? Pay insurance premiums annually. Don't take advantage of any monthly premium payments because, and I was really surprised by this, if you pay monthly, often they will do a credit search, a hard search on your file, and that actually leaves a footprint on your credit file. Be sure that any addresses that you have on any old accounts tally with the information that you're putting forward to lenders today. And lastly, if you are unfortunate enough to be rejected by a lender, you need to establish why. And so I would suggest you contact the lender, you ask them which referencing company they use, and they are obliged to tell you. And then you contact that referencing company and you download your credit file from them and you establish specifically where the problem is, because there's a chance, a very reasonable chance, if you've been treated unfairly, that you could actually correct that error. So there you go. There's 8 reasons for you, or 8 actions rather, that you can take. But download that ebook because there's a total of 21 really good actions that will help you. I really hope that you found this useful as always. And so if you do, please take a moment to subscribe to my YouTube channel if YouTube is your thing. Alternatively, please like my Facebook page. And this way I can keep you up to date when the next video is available to you. My name is Tony Law from Your First 4 Houses. I really hope that you found this one interesting, and I hopefully will look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.